Hi kids, I am going to unbox your school kit now. You know something? This kit is designed based on state-of-the-art pantomime methodology. First, we see your school bag, apron, ID card, parent pass, and card. Okay. Now it's your uniform, t-shirts, shorts for boys, skirt cum shorts for girls in yellow and elephant grey. Here is the welcome letter which welcomes you to R.K'IDZEE. This has seeds logged in it. Seed it with your parents and see that it grows along with you. Next is the chalkboard. You can write and rub many times. You have blank pages to write. Draw 4-line pages to write alphabets and boxes to write numbers. This is your child folder where you can keep all your class activities. Next we have language book for alphabet writing, phonics, 2-3 letter words, literacy for ERP phonics, language development which focuses on. Next we have numeracy workbook for numbers and number names. Next we have knowledge book for concept based on your knowledge. Next, mental mic book that shapes your personality. We have a fantasy box. One side phonic sounds, another side concepts related pictures. Finally, something that lets your creativity unleash you become great artist in your 3-artsy book. This is the second book. This one is the third book. You also have your My Can Do book and My Fun Do book. This is a Can Do book. Also, you have your homework workbooks for the 3 terms separately. This is for the first term. This is for the second term. This is for the third term. This makes you your kit for the year for a happy learning. Thank you.